Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video, I want to show you how I updated my website using org mode and an online GitHub repository, which took like less than a minute to do, to change it from a plain HTML site to this cool site that has this nice stylish table of contents and this nice setup here. So it's really easy to do. I'm going to show you the index.org file that I was working on to create this. So it has my .emacs file here. This one is a little bit out of sync, which the other one I was working on my other computer, but it has links to some of my videos. The other, if you look at the site, we have some more links, but and I don't have the link to the YouTube, but this will demonstrate how easy it is. So I have two lines up here. I have the title, which is home timunkert.net, and I have the options set for num equal to nil. Now, if I go up here and I search for org-html-themes, I'm going to hit enter, and the first thing that will come up, if I spelled this right, is the GitHub repository with this F. Neeson or Finnison. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but he created a couple cool themes that you can use with org mode that are really nice. So if we scroll down here, and we take a look, we've got this big below theme, and then we've got this read the org theme as well. And yeah, so let's say I want to use the read the org theme, which is the one I'm using. So it says using a theme. Here we have this setup file. I'll leave a link to this in the description, and I'll change the description link to have the theme name in there. So I'm just going to copy this to start. So Control C, and then I'm going to go up here and paste this in with Control Y, and I'm going to go here and change the name from the uppercase name to read the org. Okay, then I'm going to save my file with Control X, Control S, and I'm going to export this with Control C, Control E, and then HH, and then I'll go open the file. And so the file is just changed. Let's click on it, and we've got that sweet theme, right? Obviously, it's a little different than the one I have online because I don't have my YouTube link, but again, I explained that already. So yeah, it's as easy as that. And then you just upload this index.html file to your server, and you've got a sweet looking website, which I'm going to keep working on. But yeah, it looks really good. It's mobile optimized. It's really nice. So yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Check out my .emacs file if you want to copy my basic initial setup. I'll go into another video with that, but you got a basic setup and the Melpa package repository added, so you can start building on it. And then you can check out some of these other videos either by going to the links here or checking them out on my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.